What's up, gang? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use ChatGPT to create your own ads for your own brand without spending a single dollar. So let's get to it. So you're gonna go to ChatGPT and tell it this. So you're gonna tell it, I'm going to send you a picture of a model wearing a hoodie. Can you replace the hoodie with another hoodie that I will send you? Yes, I can. Please go ahead and send me the picture of a model wearing the hoodie. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google and we'll look up model with plain hoodie. Okay, we found this. Boom. Right, we'll go to images. Let's find a good model. I'm gonna find one with the cool little background so you guys can see how crazy this ChatGPT is. Let's go with this one. This is actually pretty cool. So you save your image. Let's find a hoodie. What's a cool hoodie? I'm really rocking with Young LA right now. Young LA hoodie. Okay, so we go to images. Let's find this. So there's this right here. So just send it separately. I found that it's best if you send them separately and not together because it takes forever when you send them together. I feel like it just doesn't know which one is which. Now you just wait for it to generate. While we wait for it to generate, I just found these other pictures to also generate and show you guys how you make your own ads without spending one single dollar. So let me show you guys actually one I did before I did this video, which was a test, which came out really dope. So I found this image online. I told it to make it blank and it gave me this image. I used a product that I took some pictures for, which was this product, and it put it on the shirt, which was pretty dope. And then I was like, okay, let's try something else. So I found a picture of this and I told it to change the complete color of the hoodie and put the logo, and it came up with this. Isn't this crazy? Like, it came up with that and it changed the color of the hoodie and it kind of gave it that texture that it had. So pretty cool. So it came up with this. It isn't really a good example. The whole thing about this is that you have to just try until you get it right. If it doesn't get it the first try, just try another way. Maybe just like edit it out, make it a PNG or zoom it in a little bit. Just try different things, or maybe just find someone wearing an actual faded hoodie. So let's just try again with another one. We're gonna add the first picture. Let's do the front and back. So it says perfect. Go ahead and send the next picture of the hoodie. Once I have that, you can send the new design. Okay, this is the next hoodies, the next model hoodies, and then you send this. Boom, now it has it. And then you send, this is the new design and color. And also we'll do it for not just a clothing brand. Let's try it. Let's look for another product. Actually, let's look for what would be a good one, like a lotion. Boom, we found a blank lotion. So this is a perfect one, like a hand model with the lotion. Let's look up a cool design. What would be a cool design? All right, so we'll put this logo on it actually. All right, gang, so ChatGPT just gave us our new design and logo, and look at this. This is insane. It literally copied the whole style of the hoodie, copied the whole image, and put it on a front and back model of the hoodie. So this is exactly what I'm saying. You could use ChatGPT to make your own product ad, to run ads for your brand, or to just even post on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. You could make your own ads without spending a single dollar. Let's go for the next one. The next one is gonna be of a lotion. So cool. Next, I will send you my new product, and then I will send you the logo to put on my new product, which is a lotion bottle. So new product, new logo. All right, let's see what it does. All right, it's revealing, baby. It's revealing. All right, so we got our design. Look at this beauty, man. Look at how clean this looks. Look at this. And I'm sure, like, if your design is a little bit more intricate, like, it could probably copy it. You might just have to try a couple of times, but what is trying a couple of times if it's for free? You know what I mean? So let's see if I could just add like the skeleton. I will send you new design to put on the same product. New design. Boom. So I'm gonna send the skeleton. Let's see if it puts it on there. So look, perfect example. If your design is a little bit more intricate, it'll mess it up a little bit, but like I said, just keep trying again and again and again. Maybe zoom in on the product, maybe do something different, tweak it a little bit, and then retry it, and it'll give you different outcomes every time. So yeah, gang, this is how you create ads for your own products 100% free using ChatGPT. This is very insane. This is something that I feel like not enough people take advantage of. Maybe you want to start taking advantage of this with your own brand. Obviously, you don't want it to look too AI generated, so try to find images that don't look too AI generated, and also don't use pictures like from other brands that are already posted, maybe, just because You know, that's kind of messed up. Look, just find like the ones that are like on Google. You'll find a bunch there. Or you can also go to, let me plug you guys up really quick. You can go to pexels.com, and here you will find photos for a bunch of things. They're completely free to download, and you can just find like hoodie model. You'll find a bunch here. You know what I'm saying? You'll find like some pretty creative ones, and you could just use them from here, so you don't have to steal from other brands. You know, this could happen to where you use another brand's picture and then they see it on your page. They're gonna be like, yo, what the hell, bro? Like, you just changed the image but you used our content. You know what I mean? So you want to avoid that. So you can just go to pexels.com, and they're all free to download, so you can do that. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next video, gang.